La 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 la, Jayden Pocket. La la la, Jayden Pocket. Oh no, Jayden Pocket. Yeah. Jayden Show. Yeah. Jayden Show. La 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 la, Jayden Pocket. La. Jayden Pocket. Hi, great to see you. I've got something to show you. Ta-da! My new duster. I can do even better tidying up. It will help me to clean up faster. And I can also tickle my face. This duster has given me a good idea to do something. Let's make a duster out of Play-Doh. I'm going to use black, pink, and I don't know what colour this is, but I'll use this too. First, let's do the stick at the bottom where you hold it. There we go. Now roll it. That's right, I said roll it. Like this, I'll just stick it together. And that's the stick done. Now for the fluffy parts. I'm going to use the unknown colour. I still don't know what colour this is, but I'm going to name it the unknown colour for now. That's the first part. Now next, we're going to do pink. And last of all, we need black. And there we go. And all finished. A good way to tidy up in your pretend world. And everyone knows it's good to be nice and clean. And let's tickle you. There. Now let's go and see what those ducks are up to.
Do you know they'll sleep through anything?
Let's wake them up. Wow! Ah! Then do you...
A duck!
A duck!
I am a yellow duck.
I am an orange duck. I am purple duck.
I am green duck.
I am
A duck!
I am purple duck.
Look closely at these two Play-Doh tubs. How many differences can you spot? Ding 1, ding 2, ding 3, ding 4, ding 5, ding 6. That's right, there are 6 differences. Well done, Purple Duck. It's time to get back on the mantelpiece. I love those ducks. They're so brilliant. That puzzle today was a bit tricky. Now, let's make a shape using paint pots. Can you guess what it's going to be? That's right, it's the number 4. Now what's happening here? Oh no, my upstairs tap is dripping. I'll be back. I just need to go fix it. There we go, it's all fixed. Thanks to my upstairs tools. Oh, not again. I'll have to go. There we go. Now it's fixed, thanks to my upstairs tools. Oh no, it's still dripping. I don't believe it. I just give up. But I'll tell you what though. The dripping tap has given me a good idea to do something. Let's paint a picture of a dripping tap. But first, we need some things from the cupboards. Some paint a paintbrush, some noodles. No, wait, actually, these are for my lunch. And a piece of paper. And we also need an apron when we're painting. I'm going to do a red tap because the paper's already white. So let's open the paint. And now paint a tap shape. So dip it in there. Oh, I just need to move the paper a bit. Now for the top part. And that's a tap shape done, which looks like this. Now we're gonna do blue for the water dripping there. Now to paint some tear shapes, like when you're crying. But there's no tears on me now. I'm completely fine. Ooh, lots of drips. That's cool. And let's have a look. Wow, perfect dripping tap. That was great fun. You could try lots of different taps too. No more dripping taps for me. Huh? There must be a problem with the pipe. Uh-oh. Yes, there's definitely a problem with the pipes.
Time to go! Time to go!
Oh, that's it for now. My playtime's over, but yours is just beginning. See you soon. If you like playing about like Jayden Parker, go to the Jayden Show for some more ideas to play. The end!